Hey guys, Molly is back there. Mom's over here. Dad's mad.
Well, are you ready for your cookies?
Dad's mad.
Why?
I'm just kidding. I was trying to do an impersonation of Billy, but I don't think it was good. I'll let you look. I have a cookie.
Yes, I have one.
Look.
Okay, so listen. It's really hot here and
Okay.
they melted. So they don't look pretty, but they taste good. I promise.
I promise.
They melted.
I promise you.
I wouldn't have had this problem in Ohio. It's cold in Ohio.
I got a whole bag of cookies.
Yeah.
Are you
But
kidding?
Look how, see, so they melted.
Dude,
See
that's
how
awesome. Are you kidding? You airbrushed them too?
Yeah, and it melted.
Oh my goodness. Look, check her. I hope that's an indicator of me winning today.
I hope so.
Or at least in the finals with Billy.
I hope so. Oh, let's hope for that.
We're on opposite sides of the ladder, I think. So we could go.
That would be cool.
I'm probably not gonna hold up my part of the deal. Well, thank you for the cookies. I'm gonna eat them in a few minutes. I'm gonna give you an honest opinion. I'm sure they're good.
Yeah, I mean they look kind of messy, but yeah, they taste good.
Oh, they look delicious. I'm gonna give one to Kelly. How many we got? We're gonna have to fight over them. All my crew guys.
Oh, break them in half.
We're gonna thank you for the cookies.
You're welcome.
All right, here we go. We're in the third round. We're down to 32 cars. We got to race Poppy. What's up? We are the 7th pair down. So we got to flip. Thank you. We got to flip for lanes back here. We'll figure out who wants what lane. All right. Oh, we got Pito and Poppy. All right. Yes, sir. Y'all too. Be careful.
Good luck. Be safe.
You want to flip for lanes? I've got an awesome coin we can flip. One of us is going to have to be nitrous, though.
If we win the coin toss, will we win the coin as well?
Sure, absolutely. If you win the coin toss, you win the
You
coin.
better win the coin then.
Okay, I've got one in my pocket. We're going to have to flip. These are cookies from Billy's mom. So there's only 4, so y'all don't touch them until we get back to the pits. We're going to have to split them. Put them in the golf cart. I don't want them in the car with me in case I wreck. Okay. All right, here you go. All right, so I'm gonna be you be Turbo. I'll be here. Let Brandon flip mine. That one. Put that one in your pocket.
So that's nitrous. That's turbo.
Brandon, flip it.
Flip it?
Flip it. You said he wanted to.
You gotta flip it up good.
Don't flip it and hit a car. Just about this high. Make sure it flips. There you go.
Who was calling? Nobody calling?
No, he was Turbo.
Oh, turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, why did I say that?
Turbo.
Turbo?
All right. So you get lane choice. You ain't gotta pick right now. just tell me before we get up there. Under pressure, y'all make sure y'all go check out his YouTube channel.
Left lane.
Left lane? All right, very good. I'm gonna take right lane. Be careful, sir. This is our first time race. I've raced Poppy before. He donkey stomped me with the same car. So we're gonna see if father and son can do the same.
Oh, man.
Oh, there's some pressure.
Under pressure.
Oh, there you go. That's perfect name, the YouTube name. Be careful, sir. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time. Yes, sir.
Turbo John versus Poppy. I'm pretty sure I've seen this at 17 before. It was a good race then. It'll be a good race now. Hedge your bets, pick your points. What do you think, John? Who's got this? Yeah, right here. Poppy? Oh, it's Poppy Jr. driving too.
right, guys, I couldn't tell who won. My crew guys are down there, but Pito just came over here and he told me that he looked at the app and I got the win. He grabbed his scramble too. He grabbed his and I grabbed mine, and he was out on me. I bet you were out on me probably half a car. And I mean, I think we left about the same. I think we left together. And then the scrambles, I mean, I just had a little bit more on top. And I just got, man, that was a tight race. Good racing, man. Under pressure. Y'all go to his website, check him out. Go to his YouTube channel. He's uploading. They're racing all the time. Pito and Poppy. Appreciate it, man. All right, so that was a fantastic race.
Yes, it was. Good job.
Poppy, now we're 1-1. We're 1-1 with the coronavirus.
Yes, sir.
Awesome, dude. That's a fun race. I wish we could have done it later in the rounds, but
sorry, it would have happened one way or another. He gave you hell. That's
dude, that right there, dude, he had me all shook up. Yes, I was looking over there. I was like, oh God, there he goes. I grabbed it early and I put it to the floor and I was like, come on, baby. I couldn't tell. So it was a photo finish though. You said just a less than a foot.
I want to say about the fender. They called it a fender. I want to say it's more like a half a foot.
Yeah, that was a tight race. Yes, awesome job driving.
You did great.
16 years old.
Yep.
Awesome driver. Awesome driver. All right, here we go, guys. We just pushed up here. We are now in the 4th round. This is further than I ever thought I was going to make. That was such a tight race with Poppy and Pito. That was freaking awesome. The ETs, we shared our draggy information. I outrun him by 0.02 of a second. So everything was neck and neck. I had a little bit more mile per hour in him. He was out on me, and that's why I was able to catch him a little bit. But it was smoke showing I hit the scramble button, and it smoked him. So we're down to 16 cars now. So still a bunch of hitters here. You got Willie Dynamite, Patches, Billy the Kid. There's a whole bunch of people out here, man, that are fast. We have to race Paul Simpson on this round. And I don't know, it's a black Mustang. Go figure, everybody's got Mustangs. So we got to figure out where he is. So this is the guy we got to race, Magic Johnson. LS Turbo Car. What's up, buddy? I'm John. I think we're supposed to be like 4th pair out. I don't get spare. Yeah, I'm right in front of you.
Oh, okay.
Yep. So we should be good to go. Let's flip. You want to flip for lanes, or do you have a preference? Oh, sorry.
I see better out of the left.
Okay. Let's flip. Let's flip for it real fast.
Okay.
What's up? All right. We're gonna flip. Anybody got a flip coin?
Randy gave on his one.
All right, flip coin. You want to call it a turbo side or the nitro side? See our pretty cool flip coin.
All right.
We're gonna get one of those.
If you win the coin, damn, I'm giving them all away. They're supposed to be like $15. My wife is gonna fire me. He's like, wait a minute. I'll take the nitro side. You can take. Oh yeah, that's cool. I'll take the nitro side. You want turbo side?
That's cool.
All right, you call it.
Ready?
Turbo.
Turbo it is. You
I'll
got
go
lane
left.
choice. Yep, left lane. I got right lane.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I guess y'all get the flip coin too.
All right, man. Come on.
Hey, how's yours spooling up? Does it spool pretty fast?
Yeah, real quick.
Okay, mine does too. You want to go in first or second?
Don't matter. I'll go in first.
Okay, I'll go in second. Well, as soon as he goes up, I'll go in right behind
Yeah.
you. All right, cool. So we'll bump in second. We got right lane.
Yep, we're bumping.
Okay, be careful.
Be safe.
Yep.
Luck, be safe.
Yes, sir.
Good luck,
Y'all
man.
too. All right, baby. Yes! Yes, yes, yes! That right there was a lick, son! Boom, baby! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yes! That was a lick! That was a lick, baby!
Nice.
Boom, baby!
Power, finally.
Boom, baby! Hey, good race, guys. Yes, sir. Thank you.
What?
100. All right, guys, I'm a little shaky. My adrenaline is pumping. This is what we do it for. I mean, we do it because we love racing. But when you get out there, I'm a little hoarse already, guys. God, y'all should have heard me in the car. Good Lord. That was personal best of the day by 0.3 of a second. Personal best by 0.3 of a second. We were missing it early. We got through the early rounds. We got lucky. It stuck it. Guys, that was freaking phenomenal. We did make a couple changes on the QA1 shocks back here at the back. We tightened up the extension a little bit, and we added a little bit of weight to the back. And it took it, and it worked. All right, we got to cool it down. We got to cool it down real fast, get it ready for the next round. All right, guys, and look, we got some cookies from Street Race Channel.
These are awesome.
She was complaining about the North Carolina humidity. She said those are airbrushed.
Yeah,
Are
she
you freaking
said,
kidding?
she said they were runny, but I mean, even a little runny, they're amazing
Okay, so
looking.
ain't they cool?
They're
So we
amazing.
finally got some cookies. So look, I told her, I said, maybe that checker flag that you gave us is an indicator that we may win the race.
I think so.
We're down to 8 cars. Okay, hey, y'all, let's open some cookies and split them. Who wants cookies? Me and Kelly's gonna split one. Who wants a cookie?
Look, the ribbons match.
Oh, that's
We got
awesome.
checkered ribbons too.
It's kind of dark over here.
I know.
Oh, hold on a second.